already have breakfast, Ridge? COVID mandates. California, New York's inflation's beginning to ease. That's good. It's kind of hard to read. Well, there's breeze. And all the power from my Kunas milk crate power pack. Made that yesterday. Bees in Detroit. Revolt of the Unwoke. Phone calls are holding me captive. National Climate Army? Revolution may come for Zuckerberg? You know what? I've had enough of this. Think about that shot, Reg. Pretty good. Another email. Huh. What do you think, man? You enjoy the breeze? Feels good, don't it?